Radioactivity. It was discovered by Henry Becquerel, but term radioactivity was given by Madame Curie. It is the process of spontaneous disintegration of nucleus and is measured by Geiger counter. It is a nuclear phenomenon, thus remains unaffected by external factors like temperature, pressure, etc. Radioactive rays. Radioactivity involves emission of A, B and G rays or particles. The original unit of radioactivity is Curie, C. Curie is replaced by Becquerel, BQ, in SI unit. Alpha, A. Rays. These rays consist of positively charged helium nuclei, He++. They have +2 unit charge and 4 mass. They have low penetrating power but very high ionizing power and kinetic energy. An A emission reduces the atomic mass by 4 and atomic number by 2, thus, the new nuclei formed occupy a position 2 places left to the parent nuclei in the periodic table. Beta, B. Rays. These rays consist of negatively charged electrons, -1 E0, and have 1 unit charge and 0 mass. These are more dangerous than A rays. These have high penetrating power as compared to A rays. AB emission increased the atomic number by 1 with no change in atomic mass, thus, the new nuclei obtained occupy a position 1 place right to the parent nuclei in the periodic table. Gamma, G. Rays. These are electromagnetic radiation and have very high penetrating power. These have low ionizing power and kinetic energy. Their emission does not affect the position of nuclei in the periodic table. Half-life period. It is the time in which a radioactive substance remains half of its original amount. Nuclear fission. It is a process in which a heavy nucleus is broken down into 2 or more lighter fragments. It is usually accompanied with the emission of neutrons and large amount of energy. It is used in nuclear reactor and atom bomb. Atom bomb. It is based on uncontrolled nuclear fission. It contains 235 U or 239 Pu as fuel. Nuclear reactor. It is a device that is used to produce electricity and permits a controlled chain nuclear fission. It contains fuels, e.g. 92U235, moderator, e.g. graphite and heavy water, D2O, to slow down neutrons and control rods, made up of boron steel or cadmium, to absorb neutrons. It may also contain liquid sodium as coolant. Nuclear fusion. It is a process which involves fusion of 2 or more lighter nuclei to give a heavier nuclei. It occurs only at extremely high temperature, greater than 106 K, so also called thermonuclear reactions. It is used in hydrogen bomb. Energy of sun is also a result of a series of nuclear fusion reactions. Hydrogen bomb. It contains a mixture of deuterium oxide, D2O, and tritium oxide, T2O, in a space surrounding an ordinary atom bomb. Radiocarbon dating. It is used in determining the age of carbon-bearing materials such as wood, animal fossils, etc. It is based on the concentration of carbon and carbon isotopes. Uranium dating. It is used to determine the age of Earth, minerals and rocks. Uses of radioisotopes. 1. Iodine-131 is employed to study the structure and activity of thyroid gland. It is also used in internal radiation therapy for the treatment of thyroid disease. 2.